haven't started recording, no issue. Now import logging. After this logging, we will start to write down our logging basic configuration. Now we have to compulsory write down this basic configuration. Okay, because we have to create that log file first of all. That's why we have to write down this code. In this code, we have to first of all write down our file name. Okay, now my file name will be log test 3 dot doc. After this, we have to write down level level is equal to now logging dot debug logging dot debug. Okay, now after this debug, we have to write down our format. Now format is equal to, now we have to write down entire thing in a quotes. We have to write down entire thing in a quotes. Now first of all, percentage of, in bracket, ASTIME, ASASC ASC S time, and after this we have to write down S after this. Now again percentage, then level level uh, level name. Okay, level name, and then S, then again percentage, then again message. You have to write down message. Okay, message, and after this S. Okay, now this file, this log basic configuration is started. Now let us start to write down one log. Now first of all, define one function. Define divide div by 0, div by 0, and inside this we are taking two arguments. We are taking two arguments. Now look at here how to write down logs in a function. Now logging dot info, logging dot info. This is, this message will be printed there. This is start of my code, and I am trying to enter percentage of percentage and percentage, comma, then a comma b, and then we have to write down a comma b. Okay, but where is our, okay, okay. Now after this we have to remove this, and after this there is a comma. Now a comma b, whatever our values of a comma b, that will be printed there in that log. Okay, now after this what we have to do, we have to start to write down our code by using try and except. Now you know the concept of the try and except. What we do in try and except, we will write down our main code in the try block. Okay, in the try I am writing div is equal to a divided by b. Simple, div is equal to a divided by b. Now look at here, I am again writing log here, logging dot info. Again I am printing this info, uh, executed successfully, executed. Okay, now this log is printed. Now after this try block, I am going to write down which one, except log. Okay, now except exception as e. That means whatever error will get in the kernel, that error will be printed in the form of print, and that's why I am writing except exception as e. That means whatever there will be exception, that will be printed as a E. Okay, so I have to simply print down E. That E will be my error. That E will be my error. Whatever error will come in that kernel. Okay. Now here again I am going to start writing down logging dot error. Logging dot error. Error has happened. Error has uh, error has happened. Okay. After this, again I am writing one more log here. Logging dot exception. Logging dot exception occurred. Exception occurred. Okay. And after this exception occurred, I am writing one more thing here. That is str of E. That means whatever that error will be. Okay. Now let us start to execute this one. Okay. Now I am executing due by 0. And here now I have to do one mistake here. Okay. What? Hmm? No, no. We are not using classes here. We are using simple function, and we are using function in the classes. Okay. So there is the difference between classes and the functions. Okay. Now div by 0, I am writing 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. Now let us see what is happening there. Why that file is not getting created? Hmm. That file must create here. Hmm? No, no. There is nothing in a distinction. We should at least get our error message. Anything here. Let me restart kernel. And we will start to writing down from here again. Import logging. Okay. One error is here. That is capital L is here. Okay. After this, okay. Now log test 3 is created here. Now look at here. Error has occurred. Okay. Now first of all, these two things are printed here. Here is the first of all date and the time. Look at here. It is also printing time. Error exception occurred division by 0. Now we are getting to know that where error is getting occurred. Track back most recent call file where a divided by b can't happen, division by 0. Look at here, this error must come there if we are dividing anything by 0. So this error is printing here and it is telling that this is not possible at this location. Now you know how to write down these logs, because tomorrow you are going to work in the codes of thousands or maybe lakhs number of codes. Okay, that's why you should know entire this logging. You are getting your time where crime is happening, right? So what you have to do, you have to start writing down first of all. Okay, start to writing down from here. here, right? So write down carefully whatever you are writing here. नाही नाही तिथं नाही. तुला येत आहे का तिथं? मे बी येत असेल. हम्म? हम्म? इथे रिफ्रेश कर एकदा. हा दाखवतं त्याच्यामध्ये, माझ्यात पण ह्याच्या लॅपटॉप मध्ये कसं दाखवतं. आली का फाईल? फाईल ते क्रिएट होत नाही जर तुम्ही काही चुकीचं लिहिलं असेल तर इथे. ओके इथे येत आहे डायरेक्ट. ओके आता काय करा, नवीन कोड खाली डिव झिरो आणि अजून एक त्याच्यामध्ये मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून बघा. काय? हा डिव बाय झिरो. नाही नाही नाही, डिव बाय झिरो नवीन नंबर टाकून बघा म्हणतोय मी त्यामध्ये. डिव बाय झिरो, झिरो कॉमा झिरो. Now look at here. This is our another execution. Division by zero. The time is here. Error has happened. This message is coming. हम्म? नाही नाही, लॉक फाईल क्लोज करून ओपन करत जा. हा इथे बघा माझ्यामध्ये येत आहे. हा इथे बघा परत एकदा, इथे div by झिरो. div by 0 5,8 5,8. If we are not doing any mistake, the log is not also getting printed there, right? That means we are going in our right direction. Hmm? Yeah, error must come there. Hmm? Yes, because that is the problem. Because that code is getting executed successfully. Okay, now uh, check out here and open by your file manager. 601 login log file log test 3. Now this log is printed there. Okay. Now what we will do? We will try to write down few more codes. Okay. Mm, now you know how to write down this all logs. Like this way, you can write down another function. Now you can create another function and similarly change this logs and whatever the things happening here. Okay. So what can you do? Can you do the addition of two arguments? If there will be another data set, it addition is not possible, right? String should be adding with the string. If you are adding integer with string, that time error will come. So like that way, write down this same code. Define add. Okay, addition of a comma b, and after this simply we are writing information, same this information, and after this we have to write down. Now we have to do the add. Add is equal to a plus b logging dot info. Okay, now exception as e, and whatever that error will come there, simply you have to print out that error. Okay. Yeah, we can write down any name here. Exception as a e, exception as a z. Hmm. Now addition of 1 comma d. Now let us check our log. Look at here. It is recent changed seconds ago. This message will come. That means it is recently changed. Look at here. We have to change this division by 0 to addition. No. The log will start from this line. A plus B, unsupported operand type S plus integer and string. This error is coming. Now these things are coming here. Why error is not coming? Because you have to do the error first of all. 0 plus 0 is possible. 5500 is possible. No, minus also possible. You have to do the different data set. That's why I'm writing D here. Okay, now you know the idea of logging. Why we have to write down all these things here. Okay, after this, what we have to do? We have to close our log. So, how to close our log? Logging dot shutdown. Logging dot shutdown. Now, what you can do, whatever you code written in your function class, you have created different functions. We have created functions with the test name, right? So what you have to do, you have to at least write down 5 functions, different functions by using logging. So can you write down these logs? Now you know basic procedure. Import logging, logging basic configuration, write down your function. Simple. And after this, whenever we are going to do one project, that time we are going to use this logging. Okay. So we will stop here today. Now code is also uploaded here. Okay, Rutuja and Vivek, you have to also complete